Good morning, Year 11. It's just Mrs. Allenby here with some last minute hints on how to revise for your upcoming geography exam. So, the first thing to do is to be aware of what you need to know. Make sure you've got it clear in your head exactly what is coming up on each separate paper. Paper 1, the first one, is your physical geography paper. Paper 2 is human geography, and then paper 3 is the pre-release and the fieldwork skills section, the unseen fieldwork. The first thing that you need to do for each paper is to make sure that you know the key knowledge and you've got it firmly fixed in your memory. The best ways to retrieve your key knowledge are to do quizzing, to use flashcards, or to do a brain dump or a mind map on any particular topic. So a brain dump is where you just think, right, I'm going to look today about Rio, and you just write as many facts, as much as you can about Rio, link the different concepts together. You would then go and cross-reference it against the revision grids or the revision packs that are available on Teams and see which bits you missed out. And anything you missed out, put in a different colour, and then you can easily visually check which bits you're not as secure on. Flashcards, the use of flashcards is not actually creating them, but it's using them. Once you've got your flashcards, make sure that you're testing yourself to see what can you remember, what can't you. Put your flashcards in two piles. Ones that you know, go to one side. Ones that you're less secure on, go to the other. And then you know you've got to keep going over those again and again. Quizzing, either on your own or with friends in small groups, is a useful revision tool. You can do online quizzing via Seneca. Again, links to all of these resources are available for you on Teams. Once you're secure in your knowledge, you need to see if you can apply that to practice questions. For your 9 markers, I would suggest you plan outlines. You don't need to write them out every single time. Remember, in an exam, you're going to get a maximum of maybe 15 minutes to do your 9-mark question. Make sure you understand the common pitfalls. So make sure you read the questions properly. Don't miss out any multiple choice questions, anything daft. We've looked at plenty of practice papers. There's more available for you in O2. You know the ones that students have a tendency to just not see on the paper. Please don't do that in the actual exam. Finally, mix your topics up. Make sure you're doing spaced learning. This is particularly useful in geography because you need to identify synoptic links. Can you see any themes that are going across different topics? So, for example, if you're talking about urban development in Rio, you might want to link that to pollution, which can then link to global warming and atmospheric change, but only if it's relevant to the question. Don't put it in just because you know it. Finally, don't panic. Everything that you need is available on Teams. I've got paper copies of all the resources available in O2, and there's a drop-in session every Friday lunchtime if you want to come and just chat through anything at all. Good luck, Year 11. You've got this.